You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names from German correctly. Yes, I hear all sorts of different pronunciations. If you want to learn more names that are confusing, from philosophy in particular, and German, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, the German pronunciation is pretty straightforward. Fichte. Alright, Fichte. Therefore, in English, you can simply use the same, similar pronunciation at least. Just replace the CH with an SH, Fichte. Alright, Fichte. Not Fichte, Fichte, Fichte. That's it. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.